Hi, GC News. Meba ubibia kwaba hadi latest hot ekwa era mede bramo. Anunti so nya subscribe to channel dia bomodia se obe subscribe. Rawe se obe click the subscribe button no. Na wa bele notification no. We had sa video fufuru bia be upload no. When the first person was sa ebeka sa video. Afi we are na wa like video no. Give us a thumbs up. Na fi share ma wo fufuro so da wenye bi hwe na wo hu ensemo ekoso ewo gara memwa atentemara yimbura ye ensemo abeto yepono so yinti ye sa report ya babeto dwa mu yiti sansemu yi
so far so good.
Oh, but I think that adaba ko a da bia on this show na yeka ho asem has to do with the rate at which na dollar no
FM 92.3
na etwa kwan enti na ya enya opportunity aba na sa kwanya aba na the same no but from na CD no appreciate here. I think something that we need to speak and yambo government about so sabe beto aso because you see yenwe no mo wa kwanto obi hu say dollar na swat here but in the binu ye video I know say it's just for the fun side of it.
Okay.
But the reality is a dollar no koduru 20 cedis. Na wadwen say wo send sika kakra bi ba krom ha na eso a inflation ne prices of things it take away.
Okay.
What I say. So the more dollar no cost no nema bo mum na cost because kroma na produce hwe wa ha. The sikana wo de beba wa dwen say o me the $100 bar 20 seed way $2,000 no. E bia ye fan say agoro na wo hu ne sa ba wo ko deep adwen mu a otimu say dollar no the more cost no.
The more na nema
because car na turn 50,000 quite recent and I'm 2.5 billion. 50,000 your friend say cedis car and I'm 2.5 billion all because of the dollar and the other charges are also on the pot. So the more dollar no cost no any impact be a meant na be nka say na te kwana me send kakra bi ba we and so ansem na yem kurasem and I think say yete nema say na said sikano timi fall na a bad down I don't know the day na kakra bi abenya wa ha no you can make purchases around the world.
That's right.
E ma nema boa ye dia mama nema bo nipa ho ahenhan no ko da sora na every day bi aye to nema mu no is because of some of these things because oman no ye ni production hub bia.
That's right.
Now my even common contomere kra na ye kra engo ne na say
contomere bi wa ha
ne na say for ye kra ni nyina from Burkina Faso you can go and check nema ye kra e mo ne na say for no so such a country no one way ya o currency no wint me and stabilizing it.
That's right.
So the air cost I think that is a perfect opportunity for us to also do turn around by making sure that we produce a lot of the things by making this industrial hub a reality. Sabe ya neman be bring na time sika kwa bonten enkwa na masika no. Eno why in the last time I make say ye currency ya ikra ende. We need a new foreign exchange act in Yobi. But right. I think say ye here a very radical one.
That's right.
Very radical one that take dollar away from the hands of individuals. Sa abochi for mote your friends say kwan ho okwa obetime over $50,000 to over $300,000.
Exactly.
Because onye sika no all these monies are coming from the central bank. Amam for no more and I connive collude na sika na kwakudu the central pool sika no. So I think say yenhye na mamu ototo nema ya and I think say Ato Forson and the finance ministry the government at the whole at this time no. We say umpe minus krana when it comes to how the dollar has been managed within this short period now. I think it has been.
But okay, once our dollar and that dollar near 12 cedis 30 pesos.
Yes. 12
cedis 30 pesos. But then His Excellency Kennedy Agyapong.
When I Excellency Kennedy.
Our Central University otchere say Emma abaning take own take advantage of the international world no and I say World Trade Center and I say a great deal our man say just no and then the woman demanded dollar and as to I don't know I say me be cry omuna no mun demanded dollar no match anything abana santima abaning take credit uti anu fi wana maba
Alaska I think there politics no agro wo minti no obi atime kan de opebia fa ne hodi Alaska when dollar demand
that's right.
The dollar remains the common currency what transaction happen
Varuo
sa sika no ma sha ase say Brit ni na se for no woni nta ma sha ase na wo hu single currency da
no
Alaska, there is no serious international transaction be a cost what won't that transaction in dollar people will agree. Do you know why? Because the dollar has proven itself to be the most stable currency around the world.
Wow.
And it's a transaction in the dollar now. Oh moka. That is the sole explanation why you say America na ye way. There's so we see people are trying to read geopolitical meanings into some of these. Yes, America is the economic powerhouse of the world. And the currency, has proven to be the most stable currency over the past several years in the Alaska. And it is in the advantage of every business community, every business person. Be I say, whenever I'm doing my transaction, I'll do that transaction in dollars. The Chinese currency, you can't do transaction because omoankasa timi transit development na confirm na confirm na basro na yesey. So it is not a stable currency.
Okay.
I will bet me any transaction be a program say in the next 10 years say the ekoye. What I say? Say the dollar demand has always been high.
That's right.
There has been this geopolitical tension among for Russia and China and other way are trying to find other means. And then they were there because so and countries are trying to say at here in Nigeria for trying say city in naira no ye debedi ehu dwa ye to ade betua no wem. Some of these things are quite but it does not mean say dollar no people are not chasing after the dollar. It has always been and say asem na can is anything to go by Alaska. Now say amount from per dollar ni ntwa no okroma say. So why are we adentina Ghana na ye fan say yes, your currency no appreciate it. It is not the dollar that is devaluing. It is the currency, our Ghana currency that is appreciating.
Okay.
And it is not happening by accident. Because the amount for making demands for dollar krana, it doesn't mean so to ana dollar free. You need to something has happened and amount dollar aba has say.
Okay.
What has happened American? So the economics within this whole thing is Alaska. Whenever there are many people in your country chasing for the foreign currencies na aba aye dollar na dollar so e put pressure
on the dollar
e man bo kosoro. So whenever the demand is low and I say there are excess inflows of dollars in this country and the demand no former and my currency need to be appreciated my way. So these are basic economics. So for him to say in some now can say we as I don't know Nigeria currency and performing as it stands now, Ghana's currency is the best performing currency in the whole of Africa as we speak.
That's right.
And in the world now, the last 2 weeks, Bloomberg rated it to be the best performing currency. Why not the Zambian kwacha? Why not the Nigerian naira? Why not other currencies? It is because something is being done.
Okay.
To ensure that they stabilize the economy. And you see, you may not like the government, instead of you may not like Ato Forson, you may not like Mahama, but don't take away, Charlie. These are bold initiatives are put in place. Ghana for ehu na se sa nema we koso adabena wiase o forecast on per dollar because this Brexit ne America your friends this your friends sika ya ye ka ho asemi Russia ne Russia ne China ne na se for almost omo ye ho asemi enya ne na start here. So since when and China for and there are people who are also linking it to the trade war and as for and even that particular thing has been normalized and China and America have agreed to slash this trade this thing by 115% across board. I know the day, So Alaska, there has been a phenomenal work that has been done by the finance ministry within this short space. And again, and right now me catch here it is idea ba kwa man from pay attention to has to do with your friends say the gold board no
that's right.
Alaska, one of the good things about that back or currency anywhere is that gold. Fortunately for us and we have created a central pool. Gold na amount for nam suma sene na sefo ni nyina akọ no nyina have to go through a single channel.
That's right.
That is the gold board. So at the end of the day, say you refine gold you and say you add value to it and say we are just selling na. At the end of the day, the sika will come directly to the central bank.
Good.
And that is money, dollars coming.
It's about central bank floating into the economy.
Exactly. So these are deliberate measures, mechanisms are buying now springing in motion. A whole effect na se for no mobile. Now to say it is happening by global accident. Way I am quite asam to be up president and because kwejina amanfo anim akokika same way. If you don't understand that and if you don't have anything to say, just shut up because we've been here. we know the promises that were made to the people of this country, the economic wizard, the agenda of Bawumia say obetche dollar and they are saying the bottom. Ato Forson engineer baby anka so obetche dollar saying the bottom. Not the your friend saying keys ama IGP. But here we are. The numbers are speaking. What I say, sound in the year day. He's not talking. This morning I met him I call and then on finance ministry. A friend say inauguration of Cocoa Board where chairman and the gentleman has been very phenomenal. I hear Juma and they are still not even taking praises.
That's right.
But he still thinks Ghana for the Juma die as a buying sasa onye. And until said that thing no ever materialize, you have no rest. Dollar number be agent. People are still hoping say can ever cut down crab one city. They could do one city.
For all this crown on for economic management the two giants.
Dollar no could do one city na bogus ni never fear because one city $1. Would you $2,000 or America no be 2,000 cities or Ghana. So Alaska, you see the reason why among for appreciated things and they say it is the currency depreciating, and I'm for two exactly because Kufo pensioner some ready na e ben say ke timi ye maintain $1 to 1 cedi and go bien ho betu kwan because ye nu na mo tu kwan kwa abrochire yi
enkwase juma
Alaska me say averagely uko UK averagely 2,500 to 3,000 your friend saying pounds and I'm for G what as here enti what Ghana hananka wo je 3,000 cedis na say Ghana average pay 3,000 Ghana cedis average pay.
That's right.
And this can sikana to me balance here. Nka even living in Ghana and working in Ghana is even far better than working abroad.
And this atubo mo no more than the dollar near where bogus ebe kurum ha no.
Oh na say eba $1 the amount for eba fee. Na say what you have for so be any so because Ghana what the banner be sesa and am for so oba so na wo sesa na ni nyina e power ye dey. That is why Ghana for to kan check ba bia or sesa scanner doubled because that is common sense. And I was nana abenya bebre. So Alaska, I think say the air cost I just hope say things will continue, but it's not just about the cedi appreciating or the dollar falling. Alaska, and no anyway the impact of Ghana for a penny say ebenya impact our one sitting and that assisting them there say nema bo eba from 2.3 okoto ID milk okoto hwan okoto car okoto cement okoto we ya. That particular thing must reflect. I've seen this your friends say resistance from Guta. I'm when I buy back and forth and make deadlines as to when. I understand them because you see Alaska, this is business.
I'm not cutting you short. And then me real supermarket.
Okay.
And now changes I take shape.
Yes. Some because
some of them maybe I met torn about 2 weeks ago. Me do ya nana msikano me the cause say we no so there be yateso.
And I won't say we are not Ghana for you very dishonest people.
That's right.
Kind of cry and tin or so Alaska, especially when it comes to laptop, electronic gadgets, TV, those kind of way no. Quite high prices because they tell you say we bought it in dollars.
That's right.
And the dollar is depreciating. And you see, there has been assurance, and now it's even coming down to 12 cities and so and from sources, it's going to stay here for long. What I say is going to stay here for long. So I think that we need to make a deliberate effort and then making sure say car prices and so will come back to 50,000. Yes, Alaska, because the way car is very expensive in this country now. Ubisa we yemba show so wo ton okroma kwa na won tom fra bontina na yetimi yesa niema we nyina average Ghanaian feel impact in the dollar depreciation no ene mom na the economy no because etete for man as Ghana for hu Alaska I don't know any impact bia. So I think say the trajectory enam no we need to, and the reason why ade we menye comfortable with it within the short term is Alaska as say no yam back with this industrial drive.
Exactly.
So make sure say industrial hubs no you be creative or hana ya shas ya manufacture producing niama wo kroma creating jobs a cut down on import because and maybe beba ye be say $1 na wo krom nyina kokra niama de aba e be sia kosuru bi e ho be kwa atwe What I say?
At least you do the shocks, no?
Exactly. These are the shock absorbers that you need to build. So you cut it down on the amount of money you take abroad. And yes, because the dollar has always been a running currency. It is running, and then a human no until so but in break, right. We need to make deliberate effort to ensure say you be pulling the brakes just to ensure dollar stabilization. That Ghana for who effect and impact. Now the cost no obi general be catch say global shocks. I'm talking about them because Alaska.
I will say.
Oh, about them because global shocks, I didn't think Egypt for him feeling impact. I didn't think and global shocks in Ghana and Kwan. It's not global shock. A deliberate effort that has been activated. Yeah, pragmatic policies being activated as a forum. As I open them the door.
I was all this way a preliminary way now.
Preliminary now.
I say right. Ivan Cheno Sentinel otchere in Ghana.
Bosheba, His Excellency
John Dramani Mahama.
Diomo Peno. I know the bad no I am more. Into the Ghana for Sheno, and no one Sakano. Because the dollar was a problem. And you stable. Into Ghana for a soon. A shade him say.
But only even say before Saudi will be taking place. Now, and people were calling. Hey, your mama, who promises $1, but then $1 cost and the same people and
they are complaining some dollar. There's no more transaction. It's an $1 nijina. Because Alaska, or the most serious no we can fa asida. Emma oba de twedi amponya kopo bibi oni aba bedu. Edana se. Ehira ni din. Medical cham Matilda Duchi say me no na se support or the mind all.
That's
this,
right.
Yeah. She's been a backbone. And we thank God for that. Alaska, me chair Ashama branch executives in any party executives in Alaska seriously no.
92.3.
The issue of the dollar no. Enya idea I was say the MPP Yomu in Nije and now some of us say they are mounting a strategy to create some negativity in the minds of Ghanaians.
Okay.
As you said, the Ekosuni na ano. Say but a fraction and you be and our born humoding. And I say Yana Mubia
92.3
Obi a baby and Obi ni dinim His Excellency John Dramani Mama and then this in fact, so we at the brain. Clearly, there is a leader, and it's a leader who is championing the cause, and the results is what Ghanaians are getting. Because before no be taking off leadership, catch a Ghanaians in 120 days, may see. Last week, yet now I see, near more cancer within 120 days. And some quarters, it be rating 52%. In some quarters, it be 60%. Ebi man 70%. Ebi so asem mo kan se papa ne ba ya no kranya menini. Se ehwe na na mo tuni kwan so ofade ye ne niam na o ye niam na se na si fata. Ama Ghana fo enya mfa so se na wo so mo ye se. Sinya no. Last week I said na se na ka say look. Experience is the best teacher.
That's right.
And it's about that this issue of the dollar no. It's not a nightmare. It is a carefully thought through by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and the current crop of experienced people around him. Don't forget, the same Setekwe, who happens to be the finance minister then, and the current finance minister being his deputy, the same Setekwe is around His Excellency John Dramani as
advisor.
You understand? Yeah, Papa, the former governor of the Bank of Ghana, NIB boss. You understand? He is still around. And all these think tanks are there. So don't think that they have folded their arms and put their hands behind their back. And then something is just coming by magic. Because US, and as whatever crisis that the US is having with China and Canada, and I go fast animal with you, but it is never true. Because in any case, if money is not exchanging hands, that's an music criminal. Which of the projects His Excellency Nando Dan Akufo Addo, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Baya was easy.
Very well.
And now I'm not saying maybe last week. Last week me for all more. Who say I block you Sony,
That's right.
And go and look at it. And so now block here and you syphilis, you cast concrete, you peja. And what means say yeah, rather than chase Ghana no.
And you stand still.
Ofa do nya kwan we so. You see, yeah, Ghana for Adwin Ababesi Wiso. So when the likes of Kennedy Agyapong, the likes of Afenyo Markin, Ekoko jina so more kasa, Sibio Tafra so more kasa, omunji omunsema more kano. If you are saying that we are not spending money, no problem. I'm giving you examples of projects. I'm Mujatu Ono. I'm from Monsanka. Now today, if you are telling us that Uganda is not spending money, those projects that have started, where is the money coming from?
Right.
Because the way you can we, Alaska Sobekaya, the way you can we, 2 years. As a nado da Akufo Addo be so refi abemun, na the way you can we nija. Omunya hwehwe. Ene, kokoshe do nya. Kokoshe do nya kwan so. Speedily go and see the level of development that is going over there. So you are telling me that there's no money exchanging hands. And as escaping and escaping aba. You see, the clear case and say, look, somebody knows what, and somebody knows what to do. And because on him there also ye why be done intino, on him say me, and maybe a chomokono, I'm a never 2 minutes. Na manebe to me no me hu say, me kwa me nyansa entimi den, entimi bibia. Entimi tu anamumbi, anamon na mi tu ye no, mi nya ho faso. Na ho faso na mi nya na nche. Ana Ghana for eyi mi fi so, ana ya no bae. Omo bae be nya ho faso for one solid year 2017 up to the end of 2017. Say AC ni chiase no, ana Ghana say Kofu nti say me tu sa anamon we, am Ghana for nya ho faso a. Then let me start it at the early stage of my governance. That is the more reason why the economic policy forum no has to the economic forum where say it take place, and this is a result that Ghanaians are yielding as a result of the economic forum that we had.
Right.
What I say, this is a result that is yielding because all the things that are taking place. Any suggestion the economic think tanks in the look, this current government, have taken them serious, and that's what we are working at. So nobody look, and you see these people where they are funny.
Now I rap up.
So Hina ne catch and say in the year 2000. His Excellency Fly Lieutenant General Rollins be 12 $11 cedis. And $12 cedis. The dollar was around 96 pesos or 92 pesos. Go and check.
Very well.
It was Kufo for whatever reason or whatever political points or so score no, and all running it up $1 1 cedi for cheap political propaganda. And so under His Excellency Fly Lieutenant General Rollins, even under that 10 and the crap no more man criticize demonizing man the crap no, the dollar no, the cedi to the dollar no, what I say, it was not 1 cedi, it was less than 1 cedi to $1. You see, one thing about these people, they say they always want to find a way of making Ghanaians to believe, say, when it comes to the management of the economy, they are best. But God being so good, no, my baba will go win massy. I'm a ne, or my finance minister crap on nothing idea. So, who is all a fine brain. The economic measure, Bawumia.
Accountability a cornerstone. Our elections are a course we. And see, a buyer, Wabedia Kumbiano. Entimi nye bibi amfa ho cause that is the sacred will on a Ghana for enter into agreement. A lot of people call Kotoaba in 2014 say or more kwakwase sa ban say be ya nipaku omobo muti poso mbedi omani be di dwirim na omo aye na kwan omo be dwirim no mu di nya se dwirim keke o omo fa nkura se kwan so adi oman no dwirim a wote ho a ohu atimi se nipa mu nipa wi sika ye wi sika no so se ni nyansa nka ho na kwan ofa so o wi a no so onyusu nyansa kwan. So kroma na yete na be daily bible, we were flipping through pages of scandals, filthy ones on daily basis. Eba already so we discuss be wunwe na another one aba. And central to this discussion, you have saying huge quantums of money belonging to the state and individuals because in the name of saying power, now you blow sikarana ye to go left, right, center. So sa abufuo na komana Ghana for the koto abano. Ade a mo pa free aban ho ne se. Sa ye fen say asudie no asebaba mfaso. Enra na me ka kire obi se. Se John Mahama aban wait me ye na dollar ba 1 cedi. Na otoka ma Ghana ni bia na osisi adan ka ho. Na the $1 million to Ghana ni bia account na nkrofo ya nko jela. Onyeshi.
Oh, sir.
Oh, yes, I'm telling you.
92.3.
As Alaska, we can create a society where some idiots in the name of politics will just dip their hand into state coffers and steal just like that and get away because yabai naba. We can't create such a lawless, your friend say, irresponsible country. Ebasa or mind bebo. Or mind be on your strong when it comes to accountability, transparency. Now, making sure say or punish a crime, you know, it doesn't matter the kind of wealth. Yep, I bet you see glass buildings across the country. One day, everything will fall apart if we don't institute these basic structures. As making sure that man will be held accountable for the crime. Again, Sawanya, a sound so say, scratch my back, I scratch your back. Because yeah, got to about even though now Akufo Addo mess up there were a lot of Ghanaians who were convinced the NDC and MPP, yes, I don't want to say we scratch way back, now we are scratching way back. This is the opportunity to make a mark and na kasa derby NDC and MPP no yes na yabano this time round no we are going to punish crime for real. So Alaska, it is at the back of that conviction and at this case is airline upper uhuna asasi a ekono a mandate and a sacred responsibility Ghana for the Ato Mahama and Aban so say so he has no other option than to ensure say these people will go. And Alaska, you see, some of these cases offer is so easy to prosecute to the stem. I can't just say, Nipa onimyan say bokronoa. Over the years and around the market, crime has become a very complex enterprise. It takes the wit to be able to maneuver and they don't leave back trace. Criminal and they are more very intelligent. And when people commit crimes, they don't leak back trace. What I say? It will take decades for you to find out that is a typical sensible criminal. But when they are unwitty breed of criminals, yes, unwitty rascals. For instance, Alaska, me I met here, but Alaska, if I'm a board chairman of your friends, Ghana Infrastructure GIFF, we down, Professor Aremeyaw na kwabrane fa paper de beto me say Ivan ya pese yes sky train enti as a board chairman approve wa de buy me bo wasom. Do you know why? Wa betina se did that idea the paper be to me bo wasom because Alaska asase so ayenam no ye nyi train asase na yenam form no eno na enye difficult say ye benya ne no asase so no ye ni train. So it will take a stupid mind to conceive say yenye train enam wiem na board chairman or professor and what you say. Oh, yeah, now you transfer $1 million, $2 million. At the Mauritius company.
Munji
feasibility study for 1 year. Then the money will leave the shores of this country and find itself in an offshore account. Sikana yes sky train. They say near Koto shares.
Hey,
your friend saying another company outside Ghana. And now Sikana you pay to premium shareholder premium no switch in sikana ankasa sikana to say just $100,000 spend to share and they can already pay as premium to way you can easily take it out without any struggle. So clearly say this is an enterprise people sat down connive and conceive say you be your mind nema way back no aban no was no Nasenka people were serious and quickly they could have remedied this situation.
Exactly.
But as usual, omu buye toys bi. I'm say Akufo Addo. I'm not motiso no who Ghana for say and tuntum bi and nan baby. O kan sema omu hu say we.
As ono bi no oyese.
And we say I'm na Akufo Addo tiso na what na we dey. Omu hu say ton no bi.
That's ana akware. Onim nyansa.
Yes, omu ye dey.
You be winning.
Ghana say em kura sesem say what didn't say Muna what radio so or cannot say a here untina what that is the stupid mentality people have because you are talking you are poor. You see that is the sick mentality that we have in the Alaska. These people convince themselves normal see any train namas as a bit my wiem there yes Christ mpo san ba bioma obetia be train na wiem Ghana Alaska and this idea sang true and these people took away $2 million of taxpayers' money. Eko tugu ye. Until we are buying our back.
Eko di anomo tugu.
Oh, now let's say omai na shere. So in the coffers of the omai ya tugu, but tuna omo tugu no eko wura ebinim bottom. And Alaska, this is just a tip of the iceberg. Yet hana kwabrane dance the same stupid idea ni biem. Kwabrane da soro ye say oh masundai me ka sem be president Messi asoro dem Nyankopon Amparampa be president. Me if I want to build a church for Ghana, the wisest thing anybody can do is that you can open an account. President might be an account for cathedral. Ghana ni munya donation gum. I'm telling you get huge sums of money to start the cathedral.
FM 92.3.
But the gentleman decided so but your mind sika patapa parliament krom one money. A soft company for who was supposed to know better. Because Alaska, you say, would in your chia when you're nyansa dear mo, Bagana, yes, I
would in your chia when you're
oh, yes. So would in Yanko Poachia Nyansa dear obet me here, well, near Mamma Koye, but Nyansan Quan de Obenabi. Bagana, a soft for much as I would in your chia. I feel crying to say, oh, Sabi, with Jimmy a double. Alaska, because baby, we are still doing Alaska. Me, I have worked at the hospital. So, why not help bar pin for me? Jina no bar pin for that way sooner, never free or war by force. Not the labor ward or the first maternity ward, over maternity ward, and say do I call the labor ward and as a form or war maternity ward. I brought them call labor cry. Now, Okuba be a nipada, and crying and cheer air numin so was sitting, and cram Maya or Mohoya Fepa, who will be a 24-year-old beautiful lady. Wa free enough abetina kumase ye kayaye okayaye na kwabrane so osi hostel ma ade these are people you say obi da soro o maame o papa nya obi a na obi o obi o betimi asoro afafon ofa me hia we be man Alaska yete ha ye bubinu ye ni wo fa o asem to ha woni obi akofa fon
wa no wo fa
wa no wa and I make say some of us we don't have backup. We are the backup. Once we fail a generation.
That's right.
And these people are taking faith upon themselves doing all these things. And to what we Nyankopon nipa no hu sankrofo aban sa sika e di kosi cathedral yemfan address this social crisis enkraya omo abrabo aye basai yemfan ko zongo community ne yenko be scholarship scheme be for people to go to tertiary na yenye we me if I'm advising government sa sika na ye the hard board ye da man for call we metam sa Christian ye sponsor man for to go to Israel sa nyina ye nkurasesem Alaska set a scholarship board na fa ma sa nkrofo no ma
that's right
change their life fa ye nya sa niam we ana Alaska ye tam sika sa ye de Kwaku si cathedral na ye kutu amena aka ho ana ye nya asofo machoman na ye mfa ne say adubo ahio sa
fan sa adubo ahio
ana mo ko Israel ko fa mana abaye fan say heaven gardens
yes abuo nyina mo ko fa amunana do pa
Alaska me catch us ne panyini bia ne nyansa sometimes people think it's harsh because our primary school now won kra o classmate no mu nim nyansa no mu nyina ware ebiru kra ware mienu na obi onim nyansa ware mienu just imagine kasi ya ware mienu you can imagine Alaska I who. So that is the reality. These people connive with government. Abra yenoma yam crank to a life experience. Sitting here, we saw the end of that program.
That's right.
Nansa ni munjai. Asofo bogu mu omkoye. Alaska and scandal aba. I'm expecting that this forensic audit will bring in all these asofo mo ye part. Na yam prosecute omu nyina.
FM
prosecute every single person.
I'll get involved.
Or you're involved in the decision making, in the connivance, collusion, whatever. Emma, this cathedral fiasco. You see, we need to get to a point to conceive stupid idea for government to start with Nankasa to land you in jail.
Exactly. They got attempt to stay.
Exactly. See, beginning to yes, I make a man for, and then the arrogance that you see when people get to powerful offices in India is because of some of these things. The decisions they take, they are free to take it. I know the consequences will come, they will not bear it. What I say, until the person becomes so arrogant and so overbearing to the extent, say, wow, not here now, I'm moving, come on, say, oh, who say we are 30 years mano, taking foolish decisions. Alaska. So, Sanya my way. Said John Mahama buying Ankoma Ghanaians will not forgive him. And that is a fact. This cathedral thing. And several other crimes are also. Before elections, Adubo in case it wasn't an issue.
No.
But ma we don't say PDS wo ho.
That's right.
And ma we don't say your friend is saying apart from PDS several other scandals ebe sin course so e wo kroma ya kase ye bobo aye wie e wo kroma say Ghana for do arms wanting to see something different this time round. Come catch us say yes, damn then as for Alaska we a state you see you can do all the charitable things, help people, seek welfare of the people, but my culture say you cannot be weak, you cannot be showing mercy.
That's right.
You have to be very ruthless in dealing with criminals. Sebeya nipa dasani, my culture say we were born bad. Nipa dasani was born to learn to be good. We are not good. And say nipa refuse say obeye bibi na wa ma nhyehyeye legal framework e da ha be regulate human behavior obeda so na kwabrane ne beda unyam ti bi da
ezo papa bi ni ba ten o si na anamia me ba na ma
exactly because ye nipa bi say ye nipa bi say enye say wa bodam o ye nipa bi say when the environment create convenience ye bu ye ni good niema bi so ye and we normalize it so onipa da sore ne dem a Obompa ye chire ni nyankopon wi a ne next nyankopon should be the president. If I mess up, this man will not forgive me, and that should be the wake up call to everybody. So Alaska, for me, what is happening, you know, a sacred responsibility on John Mahama. He has just 4 years as president. What I say, there has been a lot of speculation. MPP 4 years, John Mahama per se or call for another 4 years. That particular thing is absolute nonsense.
Right.
Because it is not an idea he can even think about it. What I say, we are reasonable people in this country, and he being around and what he has done, he will not even think about that particular thing. So MPP 4 now, Omuni Jumedi no one shall say poppy that particular conversation. He has 4 years to serve the people of this country. And the mandate, you know, their money is genuine. The fight against corruption.
That's right.
On stay focused and on making sure that people are on sabo mindsikam money or papa no yeni omuni. And then your friends say Chief Justice and no appear Matisse say also on course then.
But no unim petitioners no also have lawyers.
Yes. Now
petitioners no lawyers no. In fact, one say yes say nsuo fa wa mu niam nyina po. The petitioners na churo kom lawyers no Baku ye chachu chikata.
Okay.
Baku aye Vomawo.
Oliver. Madam Oliver.
Ato FM 92.3.
And Baku aye Theodore sorry.
Oh,
that's right. And wa mo hwe na mo ye.
It is ana baba. And I'm told say sources and I say I'm not sure how true it is, but I've seen it on social media. It's not confirmed though. But Alaska and how bad such a chuti idea we nimpa
and grofo na mo any Chief Justice wa asem no. Omo lawyers na me bobo so you. Baku lawyer ye chachu chikata.
Petitioners no.
Petitioners no. And Baku aye Oliver Vomawo.
Okay.
And Baku aye sorry.
And the mini Oliver were Jumaya. Oh, but I think that is good. Alaska, you see, I don't want people to create some impressions a deliberate witch hunt to be amudi ma mena free.
Mame on your witch.
Me makase. Se council se omuyo omodwuma wie na se ma me no odi bema. Yan restore no mane nya na dwuma.
Okay.
Say ye wie na say ye fane no guilty a onko fie nkwatena se nkwaje ne nana no agro. It's as simple as that.
And wo try wa wonya lawyer.
Okay.
Wonni law background baby a wuti ni da we ansem we boss ne beto na so a utumi ja no.
Beto me nan so. Beto me nan so I know how to do it. Man fast me say me kon. So I think that I believe that the system right. Because so far in Alaska my culture said there hasn't been any legal contradiction and infraction via anywhere.
That's right.
I breach the procedures as laid down under Article 146. What I say, and said the AC corner no. I don't know the day lawyers will have their day. The woman will come in person or her lawyers will come ask all the sensitive questions. The committee members will be there to make a judgment. I don't know the day recommendation will be made to the president. It's Alaska. Ya judiciary yentumi lusu because you see ya nyesa and also be offer some kind of solace for these criminals because people believe so you could do court to accept number to agu and is the reason why some people got the energy to do some of the things that they did. And President Iwile Fia me kind of sa ajenima JB no all ton contract no
now we wrap up on that. That's right.
Alaska procurement head or not just contract no trauma man for na se these crimes cannot go unpunished there ni e bie so aye nwie ne what I say so attorney general adwuma wo ye me I'm expecting say da bia me ka say at the AG department ro home I don't believe in this special prosecutor thing because I think that avenue is a noise making kind of way. We need to even trash it. I can't young cancel that particular way. Now, young resource to the AG department across the country, regional levels.
That's right.
Now you're making sure that lawyers in Nasifo here arm them with the prosecutorial powers to start prosecuting some of the cases across the country. Cases in by force are trial.
No.
There are several cases. And again, there are some individuals or monsono or more jatum say yesika. But now they are returning the money. Yes, Oko National Service where they started taking a plea bargain, striking deal with Attorney General and say we want our money.
And otchere we are.
No, you don't just pay the money. You pay the money plus interest.
Otchere with interest. Yes. Work with them.
So these are some of the things that we need to do. Sabaya, Emma Ghana, who said governance in a way, no, a high stake enterprise. We have no motive and the state will not be kind to you. It doesn't matter. You see, a president Adamfo. You can take all the foolish decisions, but remember, you will not be there forever. Come on, catch us away in Yansanina and who to me. So Kai who said. Rollins Bedi 21 years in power and you cannot be there forever. So if this government is going to stay even for 10 good years in power, there will be a day people will be held accountable. So wherever you are, be good. Alaska, I think we need to be very moderate. Yes, but over the years after independence, politics are to enrich few people.
Right.
Enrich ourselves, our friends. The poor majority, people among for Moody political party, Alaska, political party will come to power and they won't even care about their own people. NDC, for instance, over the years, Nipadudo celebrate because I raw NDC support and are benefited from party that fine. Alaska, the very people no, even journalists over the years. Me growing up, NDC newspapers are MPP ones are legend. Journalists are not who from Tete, so I'm NDC journalists. Do not share them on my eye.
And most of the time, NDC co-opposition. No media because
when the parties in power, they make new friends and and then they'll move from a hotel to join.
That's right.
When you're relevant to be, and that is the change that they need to do. Right. Politics
yo it for winning and someone about it so because so when you subscribe to channel area Bawumia say or subscribe now while I give video no give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wo foforo so na when you be here now who and somewhere koso e wo Ghana memo hanum also bit me atchere wadwen afa yen somewhere nyina ho e wo comment box mu mo beti me kabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.